This will be a speed test between the HTC U12 Plus versus the OnePlus 5T. Now the U12 Plus, this one has the Snapdragon 845 and 6 gigs of RAM. The 5T has the 835 from last year. However, this one has a whopping 8 gigs of RAM. This should be an interesting test. Let me know in the comments which one you're rooting for. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And give the boot up win to the 5T. And we are in! There's nothing in the background on both. So let's get started by tapping the messaging app. Ooh, 5T. Camera. 5T again. Calculator on both. Ooh, the 5T. Wow. Clock on both phones. Ooh, give that to the U12. Go to the stopwatch and start that. Leave that running in the background. Play Store. Call that one a tie. Let's see, what can we click on? Click on Wish. Leave that in the background. eBay on both phones. Give this to the U12. Click on this MacBook Pro. Leave that in the background. Baseball app, let's go. Ooh, a tie. NBA app, go. And call that one a tie again. Chrome browsing on both. Amazon. Very similar performance. Gonna scroll through this. Nice and fast on both phones. Go to the full site. And pretty much the same thing. Pinch to zoom. No issues with that on both phones. Super Mario Run. Loading on both. And give that to the U12. Tap to begin. And the 5T is actually faster running the actual game. Leave that in the background. Subway Surf. Subway Surfers Havana. Loading on both right now. And give this to the U12. Tap to play. Leave that in the background. Temple Run 2. Temple Run 2 Frozen Shadows. Give this to the U12. Tap to play. Close it out. Angry Birds 2. U12 ahead. Will the 5T catch up? No, it does not. And give the win to the HTC on this one. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar, U12 is way ahead. And the 5T now is processing. But give the win to the U12 Plus. CSR Racing 2. Hearing noise from the U12 first. Ooh, but give the win to the 5T. Wow. 5T with a comeback. Instagram on both. U12 and Snapchat. Ooh, 5T again. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background. Now keep in mind, the 5T has a nice and hefty 8 gigs of RAM. So we'll see how much that helps this phone. Instagram, good to go. CSR Racing 2. Paused and ready to resume on both. Grand Theft Auto. Ready to play on both. Angry Birds 2. Good to go on both. Temple Run. Paused and ready to resume. Subway Surf. Paused and ready to resume also. Mario Run. Right where we left it off. Browsing on both. Still on Amazon. NBA app. Same place. At Bat. Same place. eBay. Same place. Play Store. Nice and fast. Clock on both phones. Still running the stopwatch. The calculator. There you go. Camera on both. You guys be the judge. And the messaging app, boom. Hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Are you team OnePlus, rocking the OnePlus 6, the OnePlus 5T, the OnePlus 5, or even the OnePlus 3T from a couple of years ago? These phones coming in with excellent specs for essentially half the price of some of these other phones. Or are you an HTC fan, rocking this HTC U12, U11, or even the U Ultra, the poor use of space phone? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.